Welcome back, VST here at Tech. Samsung released an update for Registar, guys. This update right now is version 1037, but that's not so interesting because I missed the previous update 1036 and it adds a very important feature, namely the sensitivity option of backtapping function. So if you don't know what Registar is, please make sure to watch this video. It's going to be short, and I tell you guys, this Registar really can be very useful. Decided you want to use it. So what is Registar, guys? Registar is a good lock module that will allow you to enable a backtap action, guys. And from this backtap action, could be like double tap or triple tap, you're able to perform certain activities. So for example, if I double tap my phone, guys, I'm going to take a screenshot, which you can see here. If I decide to triple tap my phone, I'm going to open YouTube. Okay, so the way it works, you just tap the back of your phone, and of course it uses magic to make this happen. And by the way, you are really presented with a number of options, guys. You can take screenshots there, right? Basic one, or even take a screenshot and share it. You can access your voice assistant. Let me just show you guys. So double tap my phone, guys. Is it going to rain today?
Probably not.
Now check this trick. I've opened Telegram, double tap my phone, guys, boom. I'm gonna be able to just open it in a pop-up window. You can also use it as a normal back button, and you can also, of course, open one of your favorite applications just by setting it. And you have, of course, the triple tap, so all these gestures, guys, multiplied by 2. Now, I'm using some cases, and in general, guys, it works quite nice, but some people were not happy, they were not able to activate it all the time, and Samsung released an update that will allow us to adjust the sensitivity, and this is what I'm going to do right now on my Galaxy S23 Ultra, guys. I'm going to install the very latest version and then check with you this new setting and check it. So have in mind, I'm using the Samsung clear case cover, which is very sturdy, hard plastic, right? So it's going to be already tough to use this without this new setting. And yeah, I'm just going to test all the different levels. And if you're here for the first time and you want to get like deep Samsung coverage, you might as well want to sub for my channel, but I do plenty of other stuff as well. If you want to check S23 Ultra camera comparison with the iPhone 14 Pro, guys, you're more than welcome to check my video. Now, 1029, now this here should be the very latest one. As you can just see, 1037. First option is the same, second option is the same, double tap. Okay, so let me just go now, double tap, and I'm gonna put here the start pop-up window, and for a triple tap, guys, I'm going to go and try to open my YouTube. And now, guys, we can already see we have here the sensitivity, and it by default it's increased to the maximum. Now let me open my Telegram, guys, and I'm gonna test the double tap function to just open a pop-up. You see, yeah, I just need to hit that case so hard, and this is even with the sensitivity increased to the maximum. So what happens if I go and choose the lowest one? Low sensitivity requires tapping with high force, and I am already really tapping like crazy. So okay, see, wow, it really worked, but imagine the force I have to put, like, yeah, it's really very, very hard. Okay, one more time. Even didn't work, one more time. Okay, you see, guys, so this is why it's very, very good that we have this sensitivity option specifically for cases like this. So if you have like a leather case, a very thick case, it's not going to work that well. So now I'm back inside my Telegram, double tap. Okay, now we can say that it works quite nice. Let me do one more test. Triple tap to open the YouTube. Okay, it works. This is pretty much the new addition, so it's more than welcome that Samsung decided to include this option here. I, by the way, have the feeling just by tapping on both phones that the default option here, the default sensitivity, was also set to max. But if you are using your phone, guys, without a case, you might want to just lower the sensitivity so that you don't end up, you know, like opening applications or just triggering some actions without you really wanting to do so, just by mistake. So this option really makes sense. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If that's the case, don't forget to sub, like, and guys, see you in one of the next.